everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got another unboxing to share with you, and it is Asos. This is the Asos November Beauty Box, and this cost £12. Now unfortunately, this is now sold out. It's sold out within hours of being released. Exactly the same happened in October as well. To be in the know of when this box is released, then as soon as I find out, I will post it up on my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well, and also on my community tab on my YouTube channel with a direct link, so you're able to take a look to see if it's a box for you or not. If you keep on missing these beauty boxes because they sell out, make sure you click notifications on Instagram, on Facebook, and also on YouTube as well, so that you don't miss any of my posts. I have never missed a box yet, but from the 1st of the month onwards, I'm on there virtually every hour. Check in, just a quick refresh of the page now and again. So normally they come out on the 1st. That's what they have been doing for the last year or so, but we've noticed recently that they have been coming out a little bit later. So I'd say there's no particular date that they do release these boxes, but it should be in the first week. But as I said, as soon as I know, I will let you all know. Asos have been doing these monthly boxes for the last, I'd say 3 years, coming up to 3 years. I've got a huge back playlist if you're interested in taking a look. Plus you will see photos that I've posted, which might be a little bit easier actually than going through all my videos on my Instagram page. If you just scroll through my page, the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. So yeah, you'd be able to scroll down and you'd be able to find some Asos photos there. All the products that are in the boxes you are able to purchase off the Asos website. They ship these boxes internationally, and you'll find in my description a link to show you what countries they do ship to, because there are a few exclusions, unfortunately. It's not a subscription, they just release it once a month, and you're able to see all the products that are featured inside the box. So you're able to decide whether it is for you or not. So I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to show you what's inside. Even though you can't get it for yourself, you might be watching this video for the first time, so you can use this sort of as a reference to give you sort of an idea of the products that are inside the boxes. In last month's Asos unboxing, I had 2 boxes. Asos actually gifted me one, so I thought I'd give it up for a giveaway. You will find the winner of that giveaway going across the screen as I speak. If you spot your name, please get in touch with me either through Instagram or my personal email, which is diaryofabeautygeek@gmail.com, and if you can give me your address, etc., then I'll send that box out to you. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside November's box. Give you a sneak peek first. So inside we always get a card, and in here details everything about the products. So the theme this month then is, because staying in is the new going out. We're all about going out, but sometimes there's nothing better than laying low on a Saturday night, sinking into the tub with a new book, getting your skincare routine in check, and spraying your fave sleep mist before bed. And the latest face and body box is packed with everything you need for those amazing big nights in. Going out is so 2019. So first off, add Sunday Rain's foaming bubble bar to the tub. It'll fill your bathroom with scents of mango and coconut. It is so nice. At first I thought it was wax melts. It's a foaming bubble bar. It's not a strong smell, it just smells so nice. So I'm not sure if you'd like break. Oh yeah, look, I've just snapped it there, so you can actually break it in half. So that you don't have to use it all at the same time. So that's the first item in the box. It says, then massage rituals Jing body scrub onto your skin. It's loaded with soothing ingredients to calm your mind while nourishing your bod. I love Rituals. I absolutely love Rituals. It's such a gorgeous brand, and I have this already. This is part of their relaxing and winding down sort of sleepy time range. I know I'm blending in a body scrub here, but yeah, you can't see much, but a smell. It is so nice. It is not strong. Some of their other ranges are quite strongly scented, which I still love, but this one is more of a subtle scent, but it's really lovely. So we've got 70 mils there. It says, once you're out of the tub, apply Clinique's famous Moisture Surge overnight mask onto your face. And there's 15 mils here. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this one before. Well, that'd be interesting to give it a go. So we got an overnight face mask. It says, and then we recommend putting on Neom's Perfect Night Sleep Body Oil from head to toe. It'll work overnight on your skin, so you'll wake up feeling soft as a baby. This is another gorgeous brand. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. I've got a few candles. You might not be able to see, they're behind me and on the unit here. They're quite pricey. They're about £30 odd or more, but I've received them in different like limited edition beauty boxes and advent calendars, and oh, I really, really love what I've got. Fluff behind me. I've got this fairy throw. It's like bits of fluff are flying everywhere. But yeah, really, really nice. I just treated myself to a mini one off the Asos website. It's neroli and something. Flipping fluff. Neroli and something, I can't remember what it is, and it is just gorgeous. So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous brand. So we've got a Perfect Night Sleep Body Oil, and there's 25 mils there. It's so nice. You smell lavender. Oh, it's lovely. It is. What else is in there? Doesn't it say? I can't read. It's way too small. Way too small for me to read. Packed with safflower oil, rich in jojoba oil, and 19 relaxing essential oils and vitamin A. Yeah, that is stunning. That is stunning. I love that. And finally, for the perfect night's sleep, there's this Works Famous Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which is packed with chamomile and lavender oils to help you drift off sweet dreams. And this is 5 mil. And I've got this as well. It's a really nice spray. If you love your pillow sprays, this is a nice one. I've had this a lot. It's going to go all over the blinking camera now. It's definitely a subscription box favourite. If you've been subscribed to a few different subscription boxes over the years, then you no doubt have had one of these at some point. It's a nice product, definitely a nice product, but yeah, I've got quite a few of them now, so I share them with my daughter. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So there's 5 products in all. We've got a Neon body oil, we've got a Rituals body scrub, we've got a Sunday Rain foam and bubble bar, we've got a Clinique Moisture Surge overnight mask, and we've got a This Works a sleep pillow spray. For £12, I definitely think it's worth it, and I'm not surprised really that it sold out super fast. So as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you manage to get one for yourself? Or are you watching this thinking, okay, never heard of Asos before, but I'm going to make sure I'm going to be on the ball for December's box. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and congratulations to my winner. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.